Today we're at Norton Shores High School. We're partnering with West Shore ESD in providing tools to bus drivers on how to handle emergency situations. As we know, buses are an extension of the classroom. Today we're combining theory and practical scenarios using law enforcement to help show bus drivers how to protect kids, because this is all about protecting our staff and our kids anytime they're on a bus. In today's training, we're providing to all our participants this emergency guide. This emergency guide will help guide those drivers into making proper decisions in every emergency situation. We use standard response protocols in Muskegon County, and that's what's highlighted in this guide. The guide will help them through all that common terminology that we're using both inside our schools and with law enforcement response, because we all need to be on the same page when it comes to school safety. I would like to thank Norton Shores Schools for hosting us today. Keeping our kids safe on buses is just as important as school safety inside our buildings. I want to thank our law enforcement partners and all the superintendents for supporting and sending their drivers to this type of training. Lastly, I'd like to thank West Shore ESD. They provided this training, they created this training, and they're teaching this across the whole state of Michigan. They brought it to here in Muskegon County, partnered with us to ensure our staff and students are safe.